Ever feel like you're paying for a name on a box rather than the actual metal and tech inside? When it comes to heating and cooling your home, there's a massive gap between what a system costs a contractor and what shows up on your final invoice. Today, we're looking at two heavy hitters that approach that gap very differently. We're putting the Direct Comfort GSZH5 up against the Rheem RP15AZ. On the surface, these might look like similar machines, but they represent two very different ways to approach heating and cooling your home. One is built for the homeowner who wants the absolute best bang for their buck, while the other leans into a legacy of refinement and dealer-backed reliability. Let's talk about what's actually protecting your investment. The Direct Comfort uses a louvered steel panel cabinet that protects condenser coils from hail, weed whackers, and stray baseballs. Rheem also utilizes a solid louvered design, which is a standard for durability. Without steel protection, exposed fins can flatten over time, choking airflow and killing efficiency. We have to look at the HSPF 2 ratings because that directly affects your power bill during a February cold snap. The Direct Comfort GSZH5 hits a 7.8 HSPF 2. The Rheem RP15AZ comes in slightly higher at 8.1 HSPF 2, squeezing more heat out of the air. Under the hood, both of these units are running single-stage compressors, which are all or nothing. That means you might feel more temperature swings and hear a distinctive startup sound every time the thermostat calls for heat or air. Direct Comfort is a subsidiary of Goodman, owned by Daikin, making it the value play with similar internals, but a lower price tag. Rheem is a flagship brand known for the EcoNet ecosystem and a massive dealer network, offering refined fit and finish. For equipment alone, Direct Comfort averages about $4,835, while Rheem comes in lower for the unit at $3,985, but installed price tells a different story. Direct Comfort averages $5,812 installed, whereas Rheem jumps to $8,600. That's nearly a $3,000 difference for labor and dealer markup that comes with a flagship name. Before you make a call, remember your maintenance. Keep coils clean and change filters regularly. A clogged coil makes your compressor work twice as hard and die twice as fast. Both brands offer a solid 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year unit replacement guarantee for these models. If the compressor fails within a decade, you get a whole new outdoor unit, not just a part, which is a massive confidence signal. Winner, Direct Comfort GSZH5, because the raw value and lower installed price matter most for budget-conscious homeowners. That small efficiency edge from Rheem is hard to justify when the total installed price is nearly $3,000 higher for most people. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com.